Here's what's so hard for me. If what she's saying is true, horrible. He needs to be held accountable. On the other hand, I could imagine either side being exactly true. Even though they're very opposite positions, I could imagine either case being so. And so I think, though, even if she has evidence, it's really going to boil down to a jury believing his word or her word, Michael. So knowing that, what advice would you give one of them, either one of them, if they're your client?
Well, if I was representing Sean Combs, I would tell him you've got a very big uphill battle because of the fact that she was 19 when you began your relationship with her. Also, not only were you 37 and she was 19, but the power imbalance was very, very, very off. What I tell my clients, obviously I don't represent rap moguls, is if you're in a position of power, any female in your orbit is radioactive. No touch, no matter what the concept, no matter what it is, no matter their age. If they work for you, or if you're in a position where you have any type of authority or the ability to even just promote them, you do not touch that part. It becomes a business relationship, nothing more. This guy was addicted to drugs. He was a rap star. He was a movie star, and he employed this woman, right? So I think that the leverage is held by her. Right now, we saw the same thing, you know, with Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Obviously, that was different. But anytime you're in a position of authority over someone's career or the ability to promote them, and then you get into a relationship, you basically are taking the risk, and you better know the risk at the beginning. And even if you're right, Judge Ashley, because it could be the situation where he's right and she's right, but they just have different interpretations. And guess what? The interpretation is going to sway in her favor only because of the fact that he was so much older, and he is everything in her industry, and he made her career, right? He brought her in. We all have heard her songs, and now I know why. I didn't know they were in a relationship. Now I know why. He promoted her and he made her well known. So you kind of take that risk, Mr. Combs.